The Benue State caucus of the All Progressive Congress (APC) for the National Assembly don give full support to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second term come 2027. The lawmakers tok say their endorsement na because of President Tinubu big development efforts for Benue State. Led by Senator Titus Zam, the caucus wey make up of 2 senators and 10 House of Rep members tok say President Tinubu don win their trust with the kind infrastructure, economic help and federal presence wey him bring come Benue.
Addressed by the Benue State All Progressive Congress APC caucus in the National Assembly endorsing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for a second term as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today, Wednesday, May 21st, 2025, at the National Assembly Complex, Abuja. Distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, we, the undersigned members of APC, National Assembly Caucus from Benue State, comprising 2 senators and 8 out of 11 House of Representative members, have convened this press conference to formally and unequivocally endorse His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for a second term in office as the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our endorsement is rooted in a comprehensive assessment of President Tinubu's transformative leadership, his unwavering commitment to national development, and the tangible achievements recorded under his administration since May 29, 2023. Transformative infrastructure development in Benue State. Under President Tinubu's leadership, Benue State has witnessed unprecedented infrastructural development, significantly enhancing connectivity and economic activities.
The caucus come also praise the president for sending more security people and resources to tackle the security wahala. But they still call on Governor Alia make him work hand in hand with federal authorities to boost peace and safety for the state.
On security, we also commend the ongoing efforts of President Tinubu administration in deploying more resources and personnel to safeguard lives and property across Benue State. However, we believe the fight against security cannot be left to the federal government alone. We look forward to seeing more proactive collaboration and genuine intelligence gathering from the state government as a critical step toward restoring peace and protecting our communities. As a matter of fact, this is one area that requires additional federal government attention in collaboration with the federal government. As with the state government, as representatives of the people, we are always confronted by complaints here and there from among our constituents in the area of insecurity. Every now and then, we receive complaints of attacks here and there. Yes, the federal government has deployed all that is needed to the state by way of security votes and the military personnel. There is need for the state government to also play our own part so that the people of Benue State can sleep with their 2 eyes closed. The security personnel posted to Benue State need the support of federal government.
With this move, the Benue APC caucus don become the first group for the 10th National Assembly to officially endorse President Tinubu for 2027. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimoa, TMC News.